Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Jesmin's Lifestyle. Today, Jesmin cooked a dish our children love, which is meat with spinach. We are using more boneless meat here, but this is also great with mixed meat. Frozen spinach is also perfect for this and can be cooked from frozen. Firstly, you want to fry some onions in oil with elaichi, dalchini and garlic and ginger paste before we add the meat. You want to make sure the meat is washed properly and you want to trim as much fat as possible. আপনারা মিটের বালাটাকে clean করিও দিবার আগে. Check out our previous video on how we buy and store meat and chicken. আমার এক ফ্রেন্ড আছে যে তার খাওয়া খুব প্রবলেম করে, সো আপনারা দেখবাই তার লাগে একটা গিফট লইছি আর ইনশাল্লাহ এটা তারা হেল্প করব. You want to leave the meat for a few minutes before you add haldi powder, chili powder, jeera powder, garam masala, coriander powder, black pepper and curry powder. Give it a good stir. You don't want to keep mixing this regularly, so you want to let the meat cook. So every now and then just give it a good mix until the masala has been cooked down. As that's cooking, you want to prepare the spinach with some chilies, sliced garlic and a little bit of salt. আমরা frozen garlic use করছি, কিন্তু আপনারা চাইলে আপনারা fresh garlic use করতে পারবে ও same flavor, same taste হইব. As I said, you want to stir every now and then the meat just to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. You can see here we've sliced the garlic cloves in half and then added some methi fata as well. Before you start to cook the spinach, add a bit of haldi and some onions to the mix and then turn the pan on. Just give it a gentle stir and leave the lid on it for a few minutes whilst the spinach is wilting. As I mentioned earlier, a friend of mine has been suffering from pain in his feet for a while now, so I've bought him a foot spa as a gift and I'll be sending this to him by post, so inshallah he should get this by the time this video goes out. I really hope it helps you, brother, and inshallah the pain will get better soon. You don't want to cook the spinach fully because we will be adding this to the meat later on. You want it to get to this sort of stage here where it's wilted. Once this is done, you want to add it to the meat and mix it thoroughly. আমার মনে আছে আমি ওই সময় খাম থেকে আইসলাম নিচে আর অত মজা একটা গ্রান আছেন, আমি লগ একটা প্লেট আনিয়া ভাত রেডি রাখছি খাইবা লাগি, কিন্তু জেসমিন কইছেন আর অতটা বারসাও লাগবো. As I said, my children love this dish and I'm sure your children will love it too. আপনারা সাইন্স within full and exact recipe জেসমিনের লিখে দিত আপনারে, প্লিজ কমেন্ট করেন যেন আর আমরা ইনশাল্লাহ আপনারা জানাই মনে. Thank you for watching. Please comment below your children's favorite dish, and as always, please like, share and subscribe if you have not, and inshallah we will see you next time. আপনারা ভালো থাকিও, সুস্থ থাকিও. Allah Hafiz.